Hi, welcome back. Welcome to this forecourt film for this 2018 Mercedes A-Class. This is the A200. It's a 2-litre, 140 brake horsepower turbo diesel engine. It's the AMG Line model with premium package. I'll talk you through some of the additional extras that you get on. And this car's also been fitted with the night package as well. A little bit more difficult to see when it's a black car because you get a few additional sort of black accents, things like the mirrors and stuff like that. But looks absolutely beautiful. You get this wonderful grille here at the front. You also get the high performance LED lights that we see here with the LED light band that runs across the front. These beautiful and completely unmarked, we've just had all of these redone gloss black alloy wheels with the diamond cut edges on the side there. They're all in absolutely perfect condition, really striking. The night package also has things like privacy glass on the back there. There's no chrome to the side of the car at all. And then round at the back here, again, you get the full sort of AMG body kit and everything like that. So it's a really striking looking car. Nice black spoiler on the back there as well. And the obviously the newer style LED rear lights that you see on here. This obviously being the facelift model. Mileage wise, this has actually done 81,500 miles. It's slightly higher than we would normally retail, and that's generally because the condition and everything like that would not be there. But this car's been exceptionally well cared for, very well maintained. All the way through, really good service history with it. And when we have a look at the inside, you'll see it's completely unmarked. Actually, it's the previous owner used to do about 20,000 miles a year, but generally motorway sort of mileage. So you haven't got people getting in and out of the car constantly. So it's actually, despite the mileage being probably a little bit above average, it's actually been extremely well cared for. There are going to be telltale signs. You obviously do have a few more stone chips and things like that you would normally expect, but again, totally in line with the mileage and nothing nasty and sort of excessive, but there are obviously chips to the front. The whole front end here is actually in very good order. Car's been beautifully polished up. There's no dents or nasty marks down the side here. If I was being ultra picky, just on the outside of the rear bumper here, there's just been a couple of chips that have been touched in. Again, not particularly easy to spot unless you go really close up to it. The back bumper, a couple of very small loading marks and things. But again, when you consider the mileage of the car, it's in really lovely order. And again, all the way down the passenger side, you'll see it's in really nice condition. No marks or anything like that to the mirror there. These are some of the chips, again, that have been touched in. Again, you really only notice that when the car's sort of gleaming clean. And there's a very small scratch mark just there on the mirror. But certainly, again, when you consider the mileage, and I will stop talking about the mileage in a second, I promise. But yeah, I think it's actually in very presentable condition. If we come through to the interior, you'll see it's actually like new in here. It's been really well looked after, never smoked in, never had any pets or anything like that. All the seats look like a car that's done 20,000 miles. No excessive wear at all. Really lovely. Steering wheel's all nice, hasn't gone all nasty and shiny or anything like that. All the door cards. Literally no wear to the arms at all. Really fantastic condition. I don't think the back seats have ever been used, and probably the passenger seat not used a huge amount either. So again, you've got absolutely not a single mark through the back here. This all looks like new as well. And the boot area, all absolutely perfect. I mean, it's as close to being new as you could pretty expect. There's literally like a couple of tiny little loading marks. I mean, it's incredible. And that was the main reason that we bought the car, actually. Like I said, it would normally be slightly high mileage that we would avoid, but it really is absolutely stunning throughout. Because it's the premium model, we get a couple of really nice options. It's got things like illuminated door sills there, and we have keyless start with the start stop button just down here. If I jump in, See, the mileage today is at 81,593. You've got, again, because it's the premium model, you've got the full screen Comand system up on here. All of the carbon fibre inlays and everything like that, again, completely unmarked and unscratched. Dual zone climate control, so separate temperatures for driver and passenger. You've got heated front seats. We've also got, let's start the engine, a reversing camera. Really nice high definition camera there. Through to the media section, you've got all of your radio, and then media here as well with Bluetooth audio streaming. We also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is a really nice feature to have. Full screen satellite navigation. This isn't the plug-in sort of Becker unit that you get in the glove box. This is actually the full-blown Command system. So really nice, proper sat nav. All of your media controls and everything like that here. Paddle shift, gear change. Buttons there for volume. All the red stitching and everything like that. All in absolutely perfect condition. You've got cruise control. Got absolutely everything. These wonderful single-piece sport seats here with LED lighting throughout. Yeah, it's a really, really lovely cabin in here. You've also then got things like a full control panel for the car as well. So we come up into here into vehicle settings, and you can make changes to all the bits and pieces in here. Change your ambient lighting colour. Very, very premium feel to it. And all really nice. Hope you found this short video useful. Like I said, extremely good condition. It also spots that you've got front and rear parking sensors, but it's also got the side sensors here as well, and that's for the parking package, so the car will actually automatically park itself. Yeah, just a very, very well specified car. Makes such a difference. The whole sort of front end look of the car here with the LED lights and everything like that. Bring it bang up to date, and again the newer style grille and everything like that as well. So absolutely fabulous car. And sorry, I promised I wasn't going to mention the mileage, but it's hard to get away from. Like I said, it is slightly higher, but very, very presentable, and like I said, extremely well cared for and serviced on time all the way through. We've just serviced it as well, so there's absolutely nothing for the new owner to do. We've got 2 remote keys for the car. We've just put a brand new MOT on it. It was a first time pass with no advisories, so it really is absolutely ready to go. If we can help with any further information, if you require any finance figures or you have a part exchange to value, then please do let us know through our website, which is jajarvis.co.uk. Be more than happy to help. Thank you very much again for watching, and we'll see you next time.